I'm Kara Kapal.
And I'm Jeff Kapal.
And this is Nora Kapal. And we were nominated by Tom Barth to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. We accept this challenge, and I will nominate Sue and Ryan Goulan.
And I will nominate Jim Kapal and his family.
And you have 24 hours to either complete the Ice Bucket Challenge or donate to ALS. There you go.
So I got 4 in there?
All right.
All right.
Ready?
Ready, here we go.
Pick up your bucket.
Ready? Ready, set.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Ah! It's cold.
Cool. Good luck, everybody.
Good luck.
Dump it, Nora.